Hey guys, welcome back. It's April 23rd, and today I'm revealing something that I've been playing pretty close to the heart for a matter of months now. Reason I did that is because I didn't know if it was actually going to happen. We had to jump through a lot of hoops and spend a lot of money, basically. Hoops and money, but sometimes that's what it takes to make dreams work. And today we are revealing what that dream is. So we are building a pole barn. It's going to be 30 wide by 48 long, 14 feet high. So plenty of headspace. Going to have a large door on the front of it for, well, I'm tired of taking mufflers on and off tractors that I have to pull inside, and I want a nice tall door so I could just drive in and not have to get off of it and pull a hot muffler off of it. So 30 by 48 by 14 high. The entry door will be 16 wide by 12 high. And we won't have a floor. There'll be no concrete for a while, but that's okay. You know, that's stuff we can do later. And biggest thing is we're going to get a lot of these tractors undercover. I don't know if we'll get them all underneath here, but the biggest building I could have put here would be 30 by 60. And I didn't want to sacrifice all of my yard space because I wanted to be able to drive all the way around the barn with the tractors. So the tree line here, this will be kind of tight getting alongside the barn in this back corner, but I'm pretty positive that I'm going to drop this tree. So that'll open up another few feet to get around that corner, but I'm pretty sure that tree is going to go. I don't think there's much life left in it. These popples don't last real long. I've got some big ones up here, and they probably could come down, but they're going to stay. So yeah, this is pretty exciting. Right off the bat, which tractor is going to be kept in here, which tractors won't, if they don't all fit, and I don't think that all of them will fit. But for sure, every tractor that's been painted, the John Deere BR, the Case RC, the Brass Tag B, the John Deere AR, and I'm not sure if my grandpa's Case SC is going to be in here or if I'm going to double them up in the garage by the house, or I guess you could call that now the shop. I don't know if I want to sacrifice all that room. And then it'd be nice if we could at least keep the GP and the D in here, but it all depends on the room because I want to put the M in here. I'm tired of putting a tarp on that thing. I should put tarps on all of them, but you know, they've been sitting out this long without tarps. You know, it's been almost 90 years. Some of them almost 100 years. So they're going to be fine. Okay. Do I want to have them undercover? Yes. But I didn't want to sacrifice all my yard space to pack a barn full of things that, you know, number one, they're not all mine. So I don't know how long they'll all be here. I only own 6 tractors, so they're not all mine. You know, I can only say what's going to happen with them while they're here, and I'm going to try and get as many of them undercover as I can. So that's what the plan is. The rest of them will sit out back behind the barn where they already are. The John Deere 60, that's kind of the back burner project right now. The D, that is my priority as far as getting it done. And to be honest, now that we're doing this adventure this year, I don't know if the D will be done this year. I'm really going to try. It's the John Deere feature at Rolog this year. I'd love to have the D there for that. But you guys know as well as anybody, when you have an opportunity, sometimes you just got to grab it and go for it. And, you know, this was something I've wanted to do for a long time. I've worked really hard to get to this point, and, you know, it's almost surreal. So that's really all I've got. You know, the dirt work has been finished. You know, we're done with the pad. The topsoil that was taken out of this area has been spread around the pad. It still needs some final work with that. I'll drag it out. Once the building is built, I'll drag all this dirt out and kind of, I don't know, I guess nurture it and put some seed down and see what happens. I don't anticipate any grass will grow on the north side of the building. Number one, it won't ever get any sun. And number two, the tree line will prevent whatever sun does get to it from actually doing much of anything. So that's the plan. It's staked out, the dirt work is done, and I am number 12 in line for the year with my builder. I would do things myself, but quite frankly, I don't have time between working for the state and a lot of overtime for them, and then working at Rudy's when I'm not getting the overtime, and, you know, being my number one priority being a dad. You know, I don't have time to build this myself, and I've never done anything like this, you know, that big. I built the playhouse, which I should probably do a video on this playhouse sometime soon, but, you know, I built that last year for my daughter, and I built the shed, but, you know, a pole barn's a little bit different. You got to pull permits and do all these other things, and I didn't want to mess it up, and I don't have time. So that's all I've got. I hope you guys are as excited as I am. It's going to be a pretty amazing ride, I think, this summer to see what we can get accomplished. But hey, we're doing it. So take care, guys. We'll see ya. I'm waiting for a tool to continue on with the D differential disassembly. That's why I haven't done anything, and time. But yeah, that's all I got. Take care, guys. We'll see you in the next one.